Good afternoon, students. In the previous period, means on yesterday, I told you that our lesson is complete. Uh, Sorry for that. Two topics are remaining of the file handling of the text file, data file. Okay. Uh, Now in this chapter, we are learning only about text file. We are learning about text file. Okay. So whatever functions, whatever read modes, whatever write modes we seen in this chapter, that is related with the text file. Okay. So two methods remaining of this chapter now that we will see in this class or in this video. So that is a tail and seek method. Tail and seek method. Now we'll see the use of these two methods. Till now we discussed about number of reading and writing functions. All are working sequentially in the file. All are working sequentially in the file. That we seen read lines method for reading from the files, and writing functions are write and write lines. Okay, all these five functions we discussed earlier number of times in the previous video. All these functions working sequentially in the file. Okay, so now we will see some functions. To access the contents of file randomly. Okay, if I want to access the contents of the file randomly, मतलब मुझे अगर कुछ डेटा फाइल के बीच में से अगर मुझे एक्सेस करना है. Okay, so how can I access? So Python provides two methods for this. By using read lines, we can access the method, access the data, access the content of the file sequentially. But if you want to access the contents of the file randomly, then you can use these two methods, seek and tell. Seek method and tell method. Now we will see first tell method. First is the tell method. So what is the use of the tell method? Now first we will see. Tell method returns an integer giving the current position of object in the file. Okay, tell method returns an integer. Okay, ये आपको एक number provide करेगा which will give you the current position of object in the file. Okay, आपके ऑब्जेक्ट का करंट पोजीशन क्या है फाइल में, दैट विल बी रिटर्न्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ द इंटीजर बाय यूजिंग द टेल फंक्शन. The integer returned specifies the number of bytes from the beginning of the file till the current position of the file object. What it tells you, what it returns you, I told you that it returns an integer value. It returns an integer value. But जो return integer value जो हमें मिल रही है, what it will specify? Okay, it will specify the number of bytes from the beginning of the file till the current position of the file object. ये हमें क्या रिटर्न करने वाला है? Number of bytes from the beginning of the file till the current position of the file object. So tell method returns you the integer. Initially file pointer points to the beginning of the file. If not opened in append mode, so the initial value of tell is 0. Okay, so initially it will point, file object will point to the beginning of the file. So the initial value of tell is 0. Now one line is written here in the bracket. What is written? If not open in append method. If not opened in append method. What happened when you are opening your file in append method? You are able to append, you are able to add new data to the existing file. Okay, मतलब new data, new contents आप फाइल में ऐड कर सकते हैं. तो naturally when you added some content to the file, okay, so file pointer will be moved to the current position. Okay, current position appending होने के बाद जो डेटा एंटर हुआ है उसके करंट पोजीशन पे आपका फाइल पॉइंटर रहेगा. तो जब तक आपकी फाइल अपेंड मोड के लिए ओपन नहीं होती है तब तक इट विल शोज द इनिशियल वैल्यू एज ए 0. okay. And if you opened it for the adding the data by using the append mode, then it will show you the different value, okay. So initial value of tail is 0. Initial value of tail is 0. That you have to remember. Initial value of tail is 0. Now the syntax of the tail is file object dot tail. As I told you, if you want to use read method or write method or any method, you can use that method by using the file object. आपको अगर कोई भी मेथड को अगर एक्सेस करना है, यूज़ करना है, so you have to use that method with the file object, okay. So file object dot tail, file object dot tail, this is the syntax of the tail. Now we will see some program based on the tail method. Position of file handle before reading or writing to file. Position of file handle before reading or writing to file. हमने reading भी नहीं की है, writing भी नहीं किया है. So naturally the position of file handle at the beginning of the file. Okay. So now this is the program. fp is equals to open myfile.txt, r. Myfile.txt, it's a text file, okay, and that way you open in the reading mode, that will open in the reading mode, okay. So till that we not open this file for the writing purpose, okay. So print fp dot tail. As I told you, tail returns the position of the file object. Tail returns the position of the file object. Here tail is the name of the method which is used with the file object, which is used with the file object. fp is the file object. So what it will return? It will return the integer value, okay. As the file is not used for, not opened or not opened in the appending mode, okay. Writing mode में हमने यूज़ नहीं किए हैं, reading mode में यूज़ किए हैं. So initial value of the tail method is 0, okay. After that fp dot close, okay. By using this we will break the link in between the file object and the file which is stored onto the disk. So what the output it will display? It will display output 0. It will display you 0. It will display you 0. Why? Because tail method initially returns 0. Because initially returns, initially it is a 0, okay. So I think you understand the use of the tail, okay. Tail gives you the position of the file object, current position of the file object. Initially the position of the object is 0. Object is 0 means what? It's the beginning of the file. Position of file handle after reading data from file, okay. Now we will see position of file handle after reading data from file, okay. In the previous program we just opened the file. Here we just opened the file. Here what we did? Here we just opened the file by using the open method, and we not did any manipulation, not the reading mode, not we read the file, not we write the content onto the file, okay. सिर्फ हमने फाइल को ओपन किया है, ठीक है. कोई मैनिपुलेशन नहीं किया है, कोई ऑपरेशन, कोई टास्क परफॉर्म नहीं किया है. तो इनिशियल जो ऑब्जेक्ट का जो पोजीशन रहेगा वो क्या रहेगा? बिगिनिंग ऑफ द फाइल. दैट्स व्हाई इट रिटर्न्स यू 0. नाउ वी विल सी द प्रोग्राम. Position of file handle after reading data from file. fp equals to open sample.txt, r. So sample.txt is the file which is open in the read mode. fp is the name of the file handle or file object. fp.read in the bracket at. fp.read in the bracket at. What it will do? It will read. What is the use of the read method? Read method is used to read the number of bytes. Read method is used to read the number of bytes. ये क्या करता है? नंबर ऑफ बाइट्स को रीड करता है, नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर्स को वो रीड करेगा. सो हाउ मच कैरेक्टर्स इट रीड? It will read 8. It will read 8 bytes. So now the position of the file object or file handle will be changed. Okay. Now it will be on the 8th position. Now it will be on the 8th position. Print fp.tell. Okay. So now we read 8 bytes. So now the position of the file handle is 8. So what this print statement will print? It will print 8. It will print 8 as we read the 8 bytes by calling the read. So fp.close. So the output of this file is 8. Okay. Now I think you understand the use of the tell method. Tell method is used to access the position or used to find out the position of the file object into the file. Okay. Now we will move on to the next method, that is a seek method. Seek method can be used to position the file object at particular place in the file. Okay. Tell method से क्या हो रहा है? Tell method only returns the integer value. It will returns only the position of the file object. Tell method हमें सिर्फ position बता रहा है कि हमारा file object जो object है वो file में कहाँ पे located है. अगर file पहले से ही just open की है, so the initial value of the tell is 0. Okay. And if you perform any operation on that, so it will be changed according to the task. So the now seek method can be used to position the file object at particular place in the file. अगर आपको file object को particular place पे set करना है, okay, file object को particular place पे set करना है, so at the time you can use the seek method. Its syntax is file object dot seek offset from underscore what. Okay. Now we'll see what is the offset, what is the from what. Okay. Just clear this thing. Seek means what? It is the method to position the file object at the particular place in the file. हमें file object को किसी particular place पे क्या करना है? Position करना है. For that purpose we are using the seek method. Here offset is used to calculate the position of file object in the file in bytes. Okay. Offset means what? This one. Offset means what? Is used to calculate the position of file object in the files in byte. It will be calculate the position of file object in terms of the bytes. Offset is added to from what reference point to get the position. Okay. अब offset is added to from what reference point to get the position. Now we will see what is this reference point. Okay. Into the next slide. Following is the list of from what values. Value and reference point. First is 0. 0 means beginning of the file. 0 means beginning of the file. Okay. 1 current position of the file. 1 is for the current position of the file, and second 2 is for the end of file. 2 is for the end of file. 0 for beginning of the file. 1 for the current position of file, and 2 is for the end of the file. Default value of from what is 0, that is the beginning of the file. Okay. Every time tail is also having the value as 0, it's the beginning of the file. Okay. Similarly, seek is also having the default value of from what is 0, means beginning of the file. Consider file test1.txt. Now we will considering one file test1.txt. It is having the contents hello world. It is having the contents this how many 10 alphabets, having only one blank space, means total 11. Okay. So this is the contents of the file test1.txt hello world. Now we will see the program. Let's read the second word from the test1 file created earlier. Okay. हमने test1 नाम की फाइल पहले से बना ली है. Now I want to read the second word. Okay. First word is 5 alphabets. First word is 5 alphabets. See, these are the 5 alphabets. 1 2 3 4 5. Hello is 5 alphabets, and it will start from the beginning of the file will be start from 0. Beginning of the file will start from 0. So 0 for H, 1 for E, 2 for L, 3 for L, 4 for O, and 5 for blank space. 5 for blank space. Understand? 0 to 5 means total it is having 6. So I want to read first second word, that is a world. First word is 5 alphabets, so we need to move to 5th byte. Offset of first byte starts from 0. Offset of first byte start from 0 means we are having 2 words in our test1.txt file, hello space world. So offset of H, first byte is in the hello. H is the first byte in hello. This we have in our test1.txt file. Offset of first byte, this is the first byte, that is H. H is the first byte, so offset of first byte is 0. Offset of first byte is 0. For E is 1, for L is 2, for this L is 3, for O is 4, and for this blank space is 5. Okay, so offset of first byte, this is the offset of first byte, always starts from 0. Okay, so now we will see the program. F equals to open test1.txt r plus. Now what is the meaning of r plus? Means this file will be open in the read and write mode. In the read and write mode. R plus means if you write only R, if you write here only R, okay, instead of R plus, if you write only R, so it will open only in the read mode. But if you write R plus, then it will open the file in the read and write mode. Okay, f.seq5. What I told you, it will change the position of the file object to the particular place. So f.seq5, so it will move to the 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, f data equals to f.read5. अब यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया, f.seq5 means what? Here f.seq5 means what? It will change the position of the file handle or file object at the 5th offset. At the 5th offset. Okay, मतलब वो क्या कर रहा है, जो फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट है उसका पोजीशन कौन से इस पे बाइट पे स्टोर कर रहा है, 0 1 2 3 4 5 mean at the 6th position, means at the 6th position, because the offset for the first byte is 0. Okay, so it will start reading from the 6th. It will start reading from the 6th. Okay, so f.data equals to f.read of 5. F.data equals to f.read of 5. Now what it will do? See, we are having this hello world. Okay, f.seq5 means your file object is here. Your file object is here. I am using this another ink here now. Now your file object is here, H, on the H. What is the offset of H? 0. Now you written here f.seq5. You written here what? Seq in the bracket 5. What is the use of this? It will change the position of the file object. Initially it is on the edge. So at the 5 places means 0 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, now your file object will be here. Your object file handle will be here. This is your the new position. This is the new position of file object of, this is the new position of the object. So it will start reading from here. It will start reading from this position. Start reading from, it will start reading from this position. Okay. So f dot read 5, f dot read in the bracket 5, it will read next 5 bytes. It will read next 5 bytes, means it will read from W. It will read from W. Okay. So print f data. Now it is having next 5 bytes. It is having next 5 bytes, means it is having now world. 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 So it will print now WORLD. Then f dot close, because f is the name of the file object. Okay, now we will see the output of this file. It will print here world. It will print here, it will print here world. Okay, now I think you all this clear all this. So the seek method is used to change the position of the file object at the specific position. Okay, at the particular location. अगर आपको फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट का पोजीशन चेंज करना है तो यू कैन चेंज द पोजीशन ऑफ योर फाइल ऑब्जेक्ट. अगर आपको फाइल को कहीं बीच में से रीड करना है, कब ये मेथड यूज़ में होगा? जब आपको कोई फाइल बीच में से रीडिंग करना है. ओके, यू आर हैविंग द 10, 20, 30 लाइन्स. ओके, बट आपको 20th लाइन से रीडिंग स्टार्ट करना है. तो इंस्टेड ऑफ रीड यू विल यूज़ द रीड लाइन. इंस्टेड ऑफ रीड you can use the read line, but seek method will read in the form of the bytes only. Okay, understand? मतलब आपको अगर बीच में से फाइल को रीड करना है, so you can read it by changing the position of the file object by using the seek method. So here we concluded our today's class, today's session. Today we learned tell and seek method, these two new methods. Okay, tell method gives the position of the file handle or file object, and seek method is used to change the position of the file object at the particular location. Okay, so thank you and have a nice day. Stay at home, stay safe.